I heard that little girl wake me up this morning.
Did you?
Yeah.
I heard her sing it up there, so he was upstairs singing something. Okay, come on, Charlie, where's the done?
Alright.
You gonna talk to me now?
Oh, you're on camera.
Yeah. Yeah. That's good. Oh, she's ignoring me now. Isabel. Isabel.
Where you going?
You ever see one of these toys, huh? Who's that? Who is that? Who is that over there? You want to hold this?
Oh yes, she wants to play with it.
Hmm?
Isabel.
Isn't that nice? Isn't that nice? Yeah. Oh boy. You gonna eat it? What are you gonna do with it? Oh, don't put your thumb in the lens. That's, if you put your thumb in the lens, it can't see you anymore. No. No, you're getting all sticky now.
Yeah.
Oh boy. Hey, that's a girl. That's Isabel. Yeah. Look at that. That's Isabel and her great-granddaddy. Yeah. Yeah. Well, do something. Say something. You have to talk to me, girl. Talk to me. Bye. Goodbye.
She's posing for you.
You're supposed to wave goodbye to me. There you go. Yep. Okay, I'll see you later. Adios. Goodbye. Isabel. Bye.
Bye. Next year.